Yes, I'm Sublo. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to make a bendable Steve. So this is our printout of a bendable Steve. You can see, and the bendable Steve is the Minecraft character, and we have to cut these all pieces. You can see. If you want the photo of this, so I will give the link of this photo. The link is in the description. So now we will cut these all pieces, and then I will show you how it looks. So guys, now I had cut all the pieces, you can see. So this is the face of the Steve. These are arms, these are legs. So now I had cut all the pieces, you can see now. So guys, now I will take the face of the Steve, you can see, and we have to fold it like this. Please see that carefully. You can do this like this, and we have to fold these also, you can see. We have to fold it like this. So the final look, if we do, so it will be like a box of the Steve's face, and we have to fold these all pieces with all of these pieces. So now I will do the folding part, and then I will show you how it looks. I have made the bottom body, you can see. The legs are also flexible. The legs are like an action figure, you can see. It is like this. You can see the Steve can sit down and it can rest it. You can see the legs are very flexible, and these legs move also. And this is our arm, you can see. It is also flexible like this. If you put here, you can see the Steve will looks like this. So I will tell you how to make this arm. So we have to make a piece like this, which I have shown you in the starting the printout, and then we have to make this row, and we have to paste it inside this, and then we have to put it like this. Now I will show you. First we will paste this into this. So guys, now we have to put this arm like this. You can see I have rolled it, and we have to put it inside this, underneath with this with the gap, and we have to pull this up, and then we have to paste it here. If I show you like this, we will paste it here over the skin, you can see here. So now I will paste it, and then I will show you. So guys, you can see I have put the two arms also. This is flexible also. I show you in the starting only. You can see we have to put our paper rod, like paper roll, and we have to put it this circle. And now we will take our this head, and we have to cross. I have given you the cross also, so we have to cut like this, and you can see I have put the glue, and then we will put it inside. So now you can see guys, now we will put the head, the face of the Steve inside this, and our Steve is done. This is finished. You can see we can move our Steve's head like this, and our Steve is done. This is the final result. You can see it can move its hand, it can move its leg, everything it can move. So this is a bendable Steve. If I will put it like this, you can see it looks like this. So you can see guys, this is our Steve, and it is finished, and the final result is this. It can move its arm, legs, its face, everything it can move, and this is like an action figure, you can say. And now it is ready for the Ender Dragon fight in the Minecraft. So I think that you like this Steve, and I hope that you like this Steve. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So do good and be good. So we'll see you next video. Goodbye.
Give me what I'm looking for. Yeah.